And we're back. Now, you want your water a good boil, but not overly so I'm going to turn mine down. The heat down just a little bit. Now, this is what you want to do. You want to get your spoon, and yes, this type, and get your all nice and hot. Then, you scoop up some of the dough, and you rub it up against the sides so it looks like a little oval. I could use a little bit more than that. And then you put the spoon in the water and it'll come right off. And you want them to boil until they come floating to the top. And you want about a good, according to my mama's recipe, 3 minutes. Get that in there. Easy peasy. This is the fun part. Oops. And you don't want to put too much in there too soon, but I do because I'm lazy like that. I just want to get her done. And just, easy spoonfuls. These will be light and airy. Sometimes you might want to do it a little bit longer because I have cut one open and it was still a little doughy in the middle. Now, usually I use a spoon like my mama does to get this out, or did, God rest her soul. But now I use this, or you can use a slotted spoon, whatever you have. And you're going to want a bowl with a little thing in the middle to keep your donuts out of the water. So I guess that's a gentle boil. You don't want it too higher than that. I can even turn it down a little lower if I wanted to, which I did. And just give them about 3 minutes. And, this is good with roast beef, too. My mama only made it for chicken and dumplings. But, yeah. So, let's get one out. And it's probably not done all the way yet. But, for your entertainment. Oh, I probably should have grabbed a knife. Look at that. Organized. Oh, I did turn it down, but look, it's getting a little rough. Ouch. Okay. This is what it should look like. You may want it a little more done. And definitely need more done. It looks like an egg donut, but it's not. Well, be that way. Gonna use a spaghetti thingy. And then, this is how you plate it. Ouch, it's hot. And the crumbs are good too, guys. Every little bit tastes good. Yeah, so as I said before, if you like boiled chicken, do you. Me, I don't like boiled chicken anymore. I would suggest rotisserie, so you don't have to cook it. But, if you like to cook things at home. Okay, so that's done. Yes, I have a glass top stove, and I love it. So, here you go. Dumplings. Mama used to make it. I love it. And I hope you do too. So, let's stab another dumpling. Trying to do this through the camera is not easy. Huh? And this is what it should look like. And guys, I hope you try this. I do not recommend substituting. And if you like what you saw, even after I dropped the phone on the floor, subscribe and like and tell me your thoughts. And if you try this, let me know what you think. And I will have the recipe in the description. So anyway, again, this is Rhonda Trout from Earned Not Filtered. If it looks perfect, it's not mine. Thank you for watching.